In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Vultr coupon codes in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Vultr, these codes can offer you great savings on your cloud computing needs. So let's jump right in and explore the various methods to find these valuable coupons. First, one of the simplest ways to start is by checking Vultr's official coupon page. Vultr sometimes offers exclusive deals directly through their site. By visiting their official page, you can be sure you're accessing verified and legitimate codes directly from the source. Always keep an eye out here, as they might update their offers periodically. Another effective method is to browse through hosting and coupon websites. These platforms frequently compile and share the latest codes across various services, including Vultr. Take some time to explore multiple coupon websites. Often, users who have successfully redeemed codes will share their experiences there, which can be quite helpful. If you want to dig a little deeper, try searching for Vultr promo code 2025 on GitHub or GitHub Gists. Developers and tech enthusiasts occasionally share promotional codes here, particularly if there's a tech community angle to the codes. It's a bit like searching for a needle in a haystack, but sometimes you might come across a gem of a deal. Always verify the credibility of the sources when using codes found this way. Additionally, make sure you follow Vultr on social media or subscribe to their newsletter. Companies often unveil special deals and promotions through these channels. By keeping up with Vultr's social updates, you might catch a limited time offer or a sudden promotional event. Subscribing to a newsletter also ensures you're among the first to know when there's a fresh coupon available. Referrals can also be a fantastic route to take. Many services, including Vultr, provide referral programs where both the referrer and the new user can benefit. By using a referral or affiliate link, you might earn credits or discounts simply by signing up through someone's link or sharing your own with others. Lastly, timing is key. Be strategic about checking during events and holidays. Many companies, Vultr included, celebrate these times with special promotions and discounts. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and other festive periods often bring about lucrative deals to entice customers. So mark your calendars and be vigilant during these times for the best opportunities to save. And there you have it, the smart ways to find Vultr coupon codes in 2025. Thanks for watching and happy saving. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your online services. See you in the next video.